Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. You guys, I have an exciting announcement for you. If you didn't already notice, we have a brand new intro, brand new podcast name, and it is officially the launch of our big rebrand from the Ditch the Classroom podcast to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean? Like, is this podcast, changing a lot? Am I still going to find what I really want from this? And yes, you will. The content will not be changing. It will just be a little bit geared towards moms and not just specifically teachers. But I will still be talking a lot to teachers because, I was one. I've just felt like God has been calling me to pour into moms even more who want to be home with their babies, and not even specifically just teachers. I've had a lot of questions of can people who are not teachers still become a virtual assistant? And that answer is yes. And that question that I keep getting over and over again just helped me realize that I was being called to go even further and serve even more mamas outside of teaching. So we're rebranding to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. And what used to be the teacher turned virtual assistant program is now going to be the Virtual Assistant Mama Academy. VAMA? I don't know that abbreviation, but it will be the same content, same step-by-step tutorial, walking you through every step you need to take to become a virtual assistant so you can work from home with your babies. It's just got a different name. That way, more than just teachers know that they can join this program. So I'm really, really excited for this. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think. And I'm just so excited to continue pouring into y'all, bringing you 2 episodes a week as always, and just giving you all the help that you need so you can become a virtual assistant, replace your income while working from home, and just pour as much as you want into your kiddos. All right, y'all, I love you so much, and we will see you next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.